Welcome to our channel. Instacart allows EBT SNAP recipients to purchase eligible groceries online with convenient delivery or pickup options. Follow these step-by-step instructions to use your EBT card on Instacart. Step 1. Download the Instacart app on your smartphone or visit instacart.com on your computer. Create a free account using your email address and a secure password. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings by clicking your profile icon. Look for payment methods and select the option to add an EBT card. Step 3. Enter your EBT card number and select your state from the drop-down menu. Instacart needs this information to verify EBT eligibility for participating retailers. Step 4. Note that EBT benefits can only be used for eligible food items and cannot pay for delivery fees, service fees, or tips. You'll need a separate payment method for these charges. Step 5. Browse participating stores that accept EBT in your area. Not all Instacart retailers accept SNAP benefits, so look for the EBT eligible label on store listings. Step 6. Add eligible items to your cart. Instacart clearly marks which items are EBT eligible. Non-eligible items like alcohol, prepared foods, and household supplies must be paid with another method. Step 7. At checkout, select your EBT card as the payment method for eligible items. Choose a second payment method, credit card or debit card, for fees and non-eligible items. Step 8. Review your order and confirm the split payment between your EBT card and alternate payment method. Complete your order and wait for delivery or select a pickup time at the store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.